Jared Diamond, Guns, Germs, and Steel, The Fates of Human Societies. Immerse yourself in the fascinating exploration of human history presented in Pulitzer Prize-winning historian Jared Diamond's book, Guns, Germs, and Steel, The Fates of Human Societies. Unravel the threads of geographical and agricultural factors that have shaped the development of societies and their subsequent inequality. Delve into Diamond's discourse on how the adoption of agriculture leapfrogged humanity's progress, leading to societal complexity, technological innovation, and vast human conquests. Furthermore, discover the role of germs in human history, conquering populations as effectively as swords. This summary promises to engage and enlighten you with its scientific and historical insights into the factors that have shaped our world.
Geography, Agriculture, and Inequality. In Guns, Germs, and Steel, Jared Diamond challenges the idea that intelligence and culture determine the success of a society and asserts that geographic and agricultural advantages are the real drivers of inequality. Diamond argues that food production and societal complexity are interdependent and that the development of agriculture enabled the growth of human societies, paving the way for systems of writing in modern government. The book also explores how the spread of diseases from Europe played a role in colonialism. Overall, Guns, Germs, and Steel offers a thought-provoking perspective on the roots of inequality among nations. The power of food production. Jared Diamond's book, Guns, Germs, and Steel, explains the emergence of urban living, political centralization, and technological advancements fueled by food production and societal competition. He highlights the Fertile Crescent in Southwest Asia as the birthplace of farming, which yielded advances in technology, political complexity, and deadly germs. Diamond posits that food production indirectly led to the development of guns, germs, and steel. He also explores how ecological suicide caused power to shift from the Fertile Crescent to Greece and Rome. While blaming people for deforestation, Diamond presents a compelling argument for the power of food production in shaping human history. Germs, Animals, and History. Eurasia led the world in animal domestication due to a higher number of wild animals, which became a weapon of war. Germs evolved from animal diseases plagued humanity, and Europeans' immunity decimated Native Americans. The historical lesson illuminates the impact of germs on humans. The geographical influence on technological advancement. The impact of geographical position can be observed in the growth of agriculture and technology in different parts of the world. Eurasia's fewer latitudes and environmental variations enabled faster spread of farming than the Americas and Africa. Ecological and water barriers also slowed humans' pace. China's major rivers helped spread agriculture and technology. In terms of technology, China's inventiveness and receptivity varied across societies. A political dispute in China led to the ban of exploration across oceans in 1433 AD, which lasted for centuries before Columbus crossed the Atlantic. The role of conquest in technology diffusion. The impact of conquest on the diffusion of agriculture and technology is highlighted in Guns, Germs, and Steel by Jared Diamond. European colonizers in sub-Saharan Africa held a significant advantage due to their superior weaponry and access to resources. This advantage led to the rapid spread of agriculture and innovation in Europe compared to sub-Saharan Africa, which had geographical barriers and a smaller population. Additionally, the development of technology varies across different societies and regions, with inventions spreading through trade, religious practices, and conquest. The book explores the relationship between conquest and the spread of technology in different regions throughout history. Land masses and technological progress. China's production of cast iron, gunpowder, paper, wheelbarrow, and compass was possible due to a bigger land mass that prompts technological advancements. More land and people mean more competing societies and inventions resulting in faster development. The author emphasizes the competition between societies, giving importance to capitalism over other economic models. The political unification of China hindered innovation, whereas the political fragmentation of Europe allowed for useful innovations to be adopted by neighboring states to avoid economic obsolescence. History reframed. Jared Diamond reframes world history to highlight how landmass, animals, and technology determined the progress of various continents and populations. In a scientific exploration devoid of political, moral, or social bias, Diamond uses quantifiable facts to build a tapestry of thought-provoking conclusions. While some sections race by, others provide deep insight into minutiae. This exceptional, eloquent, and broad-ranging book provides an original and compelling overview of world history. Diamond's other works are equally fascinating, including The Third Chimpanzee for Young People, Why Is Sex Fun?, The World Until Yesterday, Collapse, and Upheaval.
As you conclude this informative journey through the depths of human history, you are left with a clearer understanding of the roles that geography, agriculture, and germs have played in shaping the fates of societies. You have witnessed how the emergence of farming in the Fertile Crescent led to unparalleled advancements in technology, politics, and weaponry. You have grasped the captivating impact of animal domestication in Eurasia and the consequences of germs on vulnerable populations across the globe. Lastly, you've observed how geographical positions affected the spread of farming, innovation, and political decisions. Let this newfound knowledge, derived from guns, germs, and steel, guide your perspective on humanity's past and the development of our societies.